I will take 1 minute to present the story. Once upon a time, at Christmas, they lived a happy family. At night, they slept. Then Santa came with the reindeers. Santa gave the girl a book. Next, he also gave the boy two. Then he gave the presents to the mom and dad. At morning, they woke up. They see their presents and they open it up. They were very happy because they like the presents. So they decided to make some good cookies and make a cake too. To conclude, I spoke about Happy Christmas. Thank you for listening.